Welcome to the Sunday vlog. I am going to try to continue to unfuck the cluster that is my life, and the office is becoming a problem. This is why. Because as you can see here, there's a bunch of puzzles and coloring books, because this is what Taylor likes to do. The problem is that the office is pretty crowded, and a lot of times we'll just end up spending our nights separate, because I'll be in the office working, she's out here doing her coloring stuff. And it's pretty cool actually, because she just started doing like a live stream on TikTok of coloring, and people are tuning in and participating and choosing colors. I don't know, isn't this little thing cute? So that's why today we're building a new desk.
IKEA, dream the possibilities.
So what I was looking for is this, right? So the price for this in 98 inches would be $119, and this would be this material. It's pretty composite, not the biggest fan. But here is all the other ones. Oh, like this is, okay, so these would be the thick boys. So what I'm looking for though is one that's 25 inches thick. Yeah, wide. No, I guess it'd be deep. Yeah, 25 inches deep, 98 inches wide.
Oh my God!
Dude, this is gonna be cheaper than I thought it was gonna be. See, like, look at this one.
Yeah.
For 119. Shit, I thought it was gonna be like 350 just for the slab of wood.
Huh.
No shit. So, now which color should I get though? Because like I don't care about the camera. That doesn't matter for me. It's more for Taylor's coloring stuff.
You need contrast, or do you don't want contrast?
Well, she colors on white paper. Maybe the black would do well for her then. Because there'll be a very clear distinction in between
what's the paper and what's actually the...
Yeah, the book that she colors on, and then that. And then obviously for me, black will never be bad.
Yeah.
What's the thing called? In Who Wants to Be a Millionaire?
Oh, the $1 million question?
No, like call for help or something? Let me ask Taylor. Because these prices are much cheaper than I thought they were going to be.
But are they not cheaper here than online?
Let's see what she says.
Ah, no answer.
No. We're actually getting her hair done. All right, never mind then.
You make the call and you live with it.
Pretty much.
This doesn't go wrong with anything.
Okay. Let's keep going. Okay, so now we got to find on those pictures the bins in the aisles. Hey, I think there's an item I need help to get picked up with. I think it might be too big.
Maybe. Yeah, for sure. Hang on. Give me a second. I'll be right over.
Okay, cool. Thank you. So I'm gonna have two of the Alex drawers on the sides, and then two legs holding it together.
Yep. I have something very similar at my place, so I kind of know what you're talking about.
Beautiful.
Right.
Okay, sweet. So I just have to find the legs and stuff before. All right, thank you.
Yeah, no worries, man, no worries.
Awesome. You're awesome.
Right out? Oh, this? What's the difference?
This one.
That's the one you want?
Yeah. Ah, perfect. Do these come with screws to shoot up?
Yes.
Oh, that's the Alex Black. They're out. Hey, for the millionth question for you.
Oh, yeah.
Crazy, it's always you. So, is it possible you guys are out of the black Alex drawers?
Possibly.
Black, I guess?
The other one's nice too, actually.
What do you think? If you were to build yourself a computer desk, black or wood? So while I cleared out my old office, I managed to swindle my little brother into absolute modern slavery building the IKEA furniture, which we know is a legal form of torture. And this task took a lot longer than I realized. It made me realize how much junk I have, which means I'm going to go crazy on Facebook Marketplace pretty soon. But we brought in the absolute massive slab of wood, and now everything was starting to come together, leading us to the final countdown to see what the new room would look like. I'm surprised by this frame. That looks pretty nice. But yeah, this was me attempting to make a desk. It took me all weekend for somebody that would take somebody with the absolute minimal skill, probably an hour. This thing though, once I have to get the USB thing. I don't even know if you'll see it. There's a little light there. It's kind of cool. But I'm so dumb. Like the desk, the drawers, the legs, that would have been around $400. This stand thing I got on sale, it was $150. Yeah, and that's about it. So I guess total, I'm looking at like, let's say 550, give or take. Which for a desk seems probably a little expensive. I don't know, maybe I've just been always buying like secondhand stuff off Facebook Marketplace for way too long. But for me, that seems pretty expensive for a desk. Especially considering how this was the cost of my last desk, actually. But I feel like 550 is really cheap when this setup means that we'll be able to spend so much more time together. And especially right now where like I'm hammering, and Taylor understands that like it's not always going to be like this, but you really have to strike the iron while it's hot. And like business wise, career wise, things are moving pretty quickly right now. So it's amazing to have her support and for her to understand that I'm not doing this to her. I'm not spending all the time in front of my computer like because I don't want to hang out with her. It's more like I'm doing this for her. So building this desk was just like a I guess it was an early Christmas present of some sort, I guess, for us to just be able to spend time together because like, even if, I'll be in here locked in doing my stuff with my headphones, and she's over there doing her like TikTok live streams, it's like, at least we get to just spend time in each other's company. And that's sometimes that's enough. That's all it takes. So that's it for today. This video had fucking nothing to do about fitness. Thanks for everybody for watching. I don't expect this video to get more than like 800 views. And as always, let's change the world together. And I guess leave it in the comment section if you would like to see me take on more building projects. Not that there was much building here, but to me this was a big endeavor. Alright. See you guys tomorrow. It's not the flashiest thing being a piece of composite on top of some drawers and some legs, but it's our little space, and I love our little space, and her spot is super cute. Is this space staged? Absolutely. The rest of the room is a fucking mess, but at least the desk looks nice. Okay, bye!